Nice location in Myrtle Point on edge of town with one level home that has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on 0.21 of an acre. Home was originally built in 1952 and has approximately 1,344 square feet, nice kitchen, oak cabinets, built-in range top, oven and dishwasher, convenient laundry area beside kitchen and closet, large open living room with brick fireplace west/wood insert, ductless heat pump, has a large side yard with room to build a garage or shop if you wanted to. Attached carport and storage shed.